far. The whole night, it was not an easement. It should have never happened, just like an impeachment. That was it. That was it. Because you know he had a great date, and that was it. He had the fun time, it is no fake. And he went to the place where they make the sheets.